Today I'm working on the train rod. Yes, it's a hot rod that had sex with a train. I'm glad no one videoed that because that would have looked really gross. So what I'm working on is finishing up the exhaust. Got the mountain brackets all done. I'm going to put some stainless steel springs on here after I get these painted. I got to move to the one wire alternator. And then I'm going to start working on the body. I don't like the patina, so we're going to paint it flat black. If you do not know what this is a Buick Inline 8, 1950 Buick. A little dusty right now, but it's in my shop, so what do you expect? But we'll get it all cleaned up and we'll show you the progress on the way. We got some weird stuff hooked up to this thing. An actual bell off of a train. Some weird stuff just added onto it, but that's how it is with these things. I'm building this for my father because this is what he wants. I can't say this is exactly what I like, but that's what he wants. Screw it. And he's happy? Fine. Rock it. I think it's kind of cool in its own way.